Alright, let's start drawing some lines using our shoulders, wrists and fingers. First, we will start by drawing long straight lines across the page. Lock your wrist and fingers and only use your shoulder to draw the line. Try to draw straight up and down the page, keeping your fingers and wrist stiff as you do so. Try and keep the lines equally spaced from each other as well. Next, lock your shoulder and fingers and just use your wrist to draw medium-sized lines up and down the page. This one can be a bit tricky, so spin the page if you struggle like me. After drawing these medium-sized lines, use only your fingers to draw short lines on the page, keeping your wrist and shoulder locked. Draw them straight up and down the page as well. This may seem super boring, but it can actually be very relaxing if you keep on doing it. If you want some extra credit, fill the rest of the page with ellipses using only your shoulder, locking your wrists and fingers as you do so. Try and complete the ellipses in one complete sweep.